Linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence is the ability to understand and use language well, not just in speaking but also in writing and gestures. People with high linguistic intelligence have a strong awareness of the meaning, structure, and sounds of words. They are often excellent communicators, enjoy reading and writing, and may excel at learning new languages. If you have this type of intelligence, you may thrive in careers such as writing, journalism, poetry, public speaking, and language teaching. Logical mathematical intelligence. Logical mathematical intelligence is the ability to think logically, solve math problems, and apply numerical principles in various situations. It includes recognizing patterns and understanding cause and effect relationships. This type of intelligence isn't just about numbers or academic tasks. It shows up in everyday activities, like calculating change or figuring out the best route to take somewhere. It involves abstract thinking, solving problems logically, and grasping complex ideas. If you have logical mathematical intelligence, you might think like a chess master, always calculating your next move and predicting the outcome before it even happens. Spatial intelligence. Spatial intelligence is the ability to understand and work with elements like colors, shapes, lines, and spaces, and to see how they relate to each other. It also involves processing information in 3 dimensions. People with strong spatial intelligence often think in pictures or images and are great at visualizing or designing. They excel at activities like solving puzzles, drawing, or sculpting. While vision is often important for spatial thinking, even people who are blind can develop this intelligence through other senses. Spatial intelligence lets you see the world in 3D, like how a painter can transform a blank canvas into a masterpiece that feels alive. Naturalist intelligence. Naturalist intelligence is the ability to recognize, classify, and understand elements of the natural world, such as plants, animals, and other environmental factors. This type of intelligence likely developed in early humans who needed to identify useful and dangerous species, observe the weather, and understand their surroundings to survive. People with strong naturalist intelligence tend to have a deep curiosity about how nature works, care about environmental issues, and enjoy spending time outdoors. They are good at identifying different plants and animals, exploring new species, and using tools like microscopes and binoculars. Charles Darwin's naturalist intelligence allowed him to connect the dots between the diversity of life and the environment, leading to his revolutionary theory of natural selection. Interpersonal Intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to understand and respond to the emotions, motivations, and needs of others. People with strong interpersonal intelligence are good at connecting with others, showing empathy, and managing relationships. They excel in leadership, negotiation, and conflict resolution. This type of intelligence is commonly found in professions like law, teaching, public speaking, and psychology. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. showcased remarkable interpersonal intelligence, inspiring millions to join a movement for justice with their powerful words and empathy. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence combines both understanding our own emotions and recognizing the emotions of others. By managing our feelings and responding thoughtfully to others, emotional intelligence enables us to navigate both our inner world and our social interactions more effectively. Studies show that emotional intelligence helps people think more clearly, as staying calm and understanding emotions can lead to better decisions and fewer mistakes. Malala Yousafzai's emotional intelligence is evident in her ability to transform her traumatic experience into a message of peace and empowerment, connecting with millions on a deeply human level. Intrapersonal Intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence is about understanding our own thoughts, feelings, and actions. It focuses on knowing ourselves, managing our emotions, and maintaining a balanced self-image. This intelligence involves having a strong sense of self-esteem, being aware of our strengths and weaknesses, and practicing self-control. It also means being able to reflect on and improve our behavior and mindset. A good level of intrapersonal intelligence can positively impact emotional well-being, which in turn influences all other areas of intelligence. Ever wonder how some people stay calm during chaos? They probably have high intrapersonal intelligence, mastering their emotions like a Jedi master. Musical intelligence. Musical intelligence is the ability to recognize, create, and express different musical forms. People with this intelligence are highly sensitive to rhythm, tone, and the nuances of sounds. They can easily learn songs and rhythms, detect when something is off-key or out of tune, and have a natural talent for playing instruments. They often enjoy tasks that involve music, whether it's listening to it or creating it. This type of intelligence is also connected to linguistic and mathematical skills, and it shares strong links with emotional and naturalist intelligence. People with musical intelligence often have a deep appreciation for music. Legendary musician Ludwig van Beethoven exemplified musical intelligence, transforming his understanding of rhythm, tone, and harmony into timeless masterpieces even after losing his hearing. Existential Intelligence. Existential intelligence is the ability to explore and understand the deeper aspects of human existence, such as the meaning of life and our purpose. It involves grappling with big questions about life, death, and the universe. While it is connected to spirituality, it goes beyond that, focusing on the broader search for understanding and significance in life. People with high existential intelligence often reflect on life's deeper mysteries and seek to understand the bigger picture of human experience. Existential intelligence is like what we see in thinkers like Socrates, who questioned life's big mysteries, like why we're here and what's the meaning of it all, sparking ideas that still make us think today. Bodily-Kinesthetic Intelligence. Bodily-Kinesthetic Intelligence is the ability to connect the mind with the body, enabling precise control over physical movements. It involves skills like strength, coordination, balance, speed, and flexibility. People with this intelligence express themselves through physical activities, excelling in tasks that require movement. If you have this type of intelligence, you will excel in sports, dance, surgery, or cooking, where your body and mind work together seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.